This 2018 Newmar Canyon Star 3710 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 37 feet 11 inches in length and features two slideouts, a Dellwood Decor, Calypso Bermuda Maple Cabinetry interior, sleeps 2, external shower, TV, skylight, slideout, stove-top burner, auxiliary battery, water heater, awning, leveling jacks, air conditioning, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2018 Newmar Canyon Star 3710 is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.